All right, let's go ahead and solve this guy. So it says find cosine theta if secant theta is 5/3. They're going to give you one trig function and you need to find the other ones on lots of these guys. So this one, let's go ahead and draw this. I think it's just nice to kind of have the visual. Doesn't really matter what quadrant we're drawing in, but let's draw one of our bow ties. Secant is the same thing as cosine, but just reciprocated. So this is going to be h over a. Theta is always in the origin. So my a is going to be 3, and my hypotenuse is going to be 5. So we can figure out what this guy is by doing Pythagorean theorem. So 3 squared plus, I don't know, squared equals 5 squared. That's 9, so I'm going to subtract 9. So 25 minus 9 is 16. If you're familiar with your Pythagorean triples, when you saw this, you would have already known that that's a 4, which is fine. You don't have to do the Pythagorean theorem if you're familiar with Pythagorean triples. On some triangles, that will work. Okay, so then it wants us to find the cosine. So cosine is AH. So let's go ahead and label these guys. So AOH. So cosine AH is 3/5. But if you look at this, it says cosine and secant, those are reciprocals already, right? So we could have stopped and not done any of this and just said, well, I know that cosine is the reciprocal of this. So the reciprocal of 5/3 is 3/5 and been done. Sometimes it's that simple, but sometimes it's not. So let's see if it said, let's say it said tangent, okay? So let's say it said find tangent. Can you read that? If I move my hand out of the way, you can. Okay, so we want to find tangent of this. So the same thing. I would draw my triangle. I'd find all my sides. Now let's go find tangent. Tangent is some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on asphalt. Okay, so my adjacent is 4. I'm sorry, oh my gosh, my O is 4. My adjacent is 3. So that's it. We would have said tan theta is 4/3. So once they give you one value, you can find the rest of them.